Hi everyone, welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach you how to fix iPhone screen recording not working issue. Solution 1. Check the screen recording permissions and restrictions. Tap Settings. Tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap Content Restrictions. Then you can check whether there are restrictions on screen recording. Solution 2. Enable screen recording on Control Center. Tap Settings. Tap Control Center. Then tap the add icon next to screen recording. After that, you successfully add screen recording on iPhone. Solution 3. Get enough space for the screen recording. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Then you can offload apps to get more space. Or you can use Cocosenor iDevice Clean Tuner to free up space on iPhone. Just go to cocosenor.com and find iDevice Clean Tuner. Download and get it installed on the computer. After that, open the software. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Click Fast Clean Up. Hit the Scan button. Soon, you can see how much space you can release on the iPhone. Click the Clean button behind each category to free up space. Click Yes to confirm. In no time, the cleaning is finished. Solution 4. Turn off low power mode. Tap Settings. Tap Battery. Then disable the low power mode. Solution 5. Reset all settings on the iPhone. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Tap Reset all settings again. After that, all content and setting are erasing from the iPhone. Solution 6: Repair issue with iOS Repair Tuner. Make sure iTunes is installed on the computer. Go to Cocosenor.com and then download the iOS Repair Tuner program. After that, install it on your computer. Then open Cocosenor iOS Repair Tuner. Choose System Repair on the left side. Click Standard Mode. Click Start. Then connect your iPhone to the computer. Click Next on the software. You are asked to download the firmware package. Click Download to go ahead. Minutes later, click Repair. Well done, the iPhone is repaired successfully. Then your iPhone will restart and you can check whether the screen recording works normally or not. That's all.